everybody, welcome to another edition of My Hungry Family. Today we're making this guy, a Korean-style burger. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to catch all the weekly videos. In a large mixing bowl, add in equal parts ground beef and ground pork. The amount is up to you. We'll hang on to that guy. Add in half a large chopped onion, 3 chopped celery stalks, 3 chopped green onions, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon pepper and salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Form into patties and place on a plate. Cook over medium heat to the desired level. After a few minutes, flip the burgers. Since these are half pork, they will be a noticeably lighter gray color than your typical all-beef patty. Once nearly done cooking, add on a slice of American cheese. American cheese melts well, while cheddar just kind of sweats. Remove from the pan, toss in the buns, and toast for a few minutes. Let's build our burger. Condiments are up to you. We'll spread some avocado mayo on the bottom bun, lettuce, tomato, and our patty. On the top bun, we'll opt for ketchup and mustard. And there you have it, a Korean-style burger. It looks like this. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell a friend. We'll see you in the kitchen next time.